It was a horrible experience. I was on my own when I saw these guys beating a young man restlessly. They caught him with AK-47. They were beating him. The guy was at the verge of passing away. Like dying before he sent for me. When I got there, he started apologizing. That he was threatening me to kill me. This, that. Before something happened and they caught him. I should please forgive him. That he came for me. I was like, you were threatening me to kill me. What for? He said I should please forgive him. I should please forgive him. I said, well, I'm forgiving me. The moment I forgave him, the man died. Like he gave up the ghost.
Oh, babe, who was the boy?
You won't believe this. He was the son of the man I accidentally killed with my car.
Wait. Abiodo. One Abiodo like that, right? I know him, baby. You know when you were going when you're undergoing your prison sentence, I actually went to meet him and his mom with my friend Micheal. I went to plead with them to please, try to make things, to see reasons that it was an accident. I thought he has even forgiven you. Oh my goodness, baby, thank God for your life. What would I have done?
Shit is crazy. I don't even know what to say out of it.
My God.
Famous like that.
How far?
Famous international. Alright, man, I
did.
Welcome, good to see you.
Oh, you're not looking bad.
Like this, right? I pray. I swear. Let me get you a glass cup.
Okay.
Join me.
Yeah. Zubby.
Alright. I don't know.
You don't.
Okay. You need mixer?
No, I do okay like this.
Yeah, let me mix.
So make I come check on my guy. I don't think.
That was on G.
My name is Hilda. Please, can you tell my brother that the sister is here?
What did he say?
Can you go up there, tell my brother that Hilda, the lovely sister, is here and she has come to stay.
Hey. Debbie! 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 Please come and see American Wonders. See your August visitor.
Hilda. You? Anyway, Hilda, I'm very much aware that you know that I have put to bed. I gave birth to twins, two bouncing babies for Chubby. But if you want to stay in this house and remain a second wife, you're welcome.
Oh, wonders. Robert! Robert!
Please, can you help me get my luggage from the car trunk, please?
Okay, alright, no problem.
Barrister, thank you so much. Thank you very much for your intervention on my brother's case.
You're welcome.
I mean, if not for you, the jail terms would have been 20 years or more. Thank you so much, sir.
We thank God. Everything worked well for His grace.
Again, thank you so much. So what do I offer you?
I'm alright, my daughter.
You don't need anything?
Yes. How about Chubby?
Just step out. The mood of his dressing, I don't think he's going to anywhere far.
Okay, I just came to check on him.
Alright, sir. Thank you so much. So you mean you don't need anything?
Yes, I'm very alright. Maybe when next I come.
Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you.
So, tell me, were you in court today?
No, not at all. The court will be holding tomorrow. Chubby and Hilda here. There's something I've been wanting to let you people know. Hilda Hilltop, the Chief Judge of the Federation, Supreme Court of the Federation, is the biological father to your mother, which makes him your grandfather. I know you'll be shocked to hear this.
Wait. Are you saying that the Chief Justice of the Federation,
Hilda Hilton,
is my grandfather?
yes. Wow. He's the biological father to your mom. We shouldn't be. It's called for celebration.
It's something we should be happy about. Because here in this family, we have a lawyer,
Of course.
we have a chief judge, we have a soldier, and Chubby here is an engineer. And I here, I'm a doctor. So we should be celebrating.
Yeah, but how come we never knew all this one?
Well,
It's crazy.
just this is the day the Lord has made it possible for you to know. So you just have to take it.
Cheers to the good news.
And you're drinking.
She doesn't do alcohol.
So bro, what are we going to do next? Is it a celebration? Because this called for a celebration.
Indeed. Yes. You should be happy for this.
Joy,
Yes.
our granddad,
Yes.
wonders shall never end.
How could you, Mom? How could you? How could you keep something like that away from me? Your daughter, why?
What are you trying to talk about? Because you see this your shout, I don't have time.
Mom?
What?
Mom, don't act like you don't know what I'm talking about. How can you not tell me that Chubby and Hilda, They are nothing but siblings. Why did you allow me to make fool of myself? Why?
Because I don't know. Yes, I don't.
Mom, stop saying that. You knew about it. You do.
Will you stop shouting and make me understand what you are trying to say?
What I'm trying to say is, you hid the facts away from your own daughter. What are you trying to achieve?
That Chubby and Hilda are siblings?
Yes.
What do you take me for? A liar? In all honesty, I am getting to hear it from you. Yes. I don't know Chubby from Adam. You brought Chubby to this household. So please, where did you hear that from?
Don't worry, Mom. Since you say you're not aware, no problem. But I'm very, very sure and convinced that you are much aware. But you chose to just keep it away from me. You know reasons best known to you.
Suit yourself.
No problem.
Just suit yourself. Because I don't see any reason why I should know about this.
I'm just only sad that I made a fool out of myself.
You made a fool of yourself on what? On the fact that I know that we are siblings and I refused to tell you about it long time before now. Listen, I don't know Chubby, neither Elder. You brought them to the picture.
Check it out now. This one is for my introduction.
This is beautiful.
You like it?
I like the stoning.
Yes.
This your designer is good.
Mad.
Yeah.
You know, when I told her that I want them to beat everywhere with stones, like.
It's okay.
So by the time I wear it, everywhere go choke. Look at the skirt. When I wear it now, all my gibidi, everything will just show.
Mad girl, let me see.
Then this one is for my traditional marriage. By the time I wear it, tie my gele with my purse.
Oh, fabric is
awesome.
Beautiful.
You know, when I saw it, I liked it. I fell in love. So I told my baby about it. So he said he liked it too.
He's using the same thing, right?
Of course.
Oh.
We're twinning.
As it should be.
Hello. It's my wedding.
Yeah.
So calm down. It's not your wedding.
I know. I know. You don't have to rub it on my face.
Let it be, my sister. It's not easy to get married, you know.
Who is this one?
Hey. I'm just saying. And here is the almighty wedding dress. Can you see it?
In choke, I mean, no choke. I know. It has to be put. It has to be put. I'll expose you. I'll expose you. You know you're that put this dress. It consign you, don't consign me. Did you see this story? They are not the child. You have seen this.
If you like, let's take it from anywhere.
You were lucky to have gotten this.
Of course, and that was why I had to beat it. See all the stones.
No, it's like
amazing.
Seriously,
you like it, Abby?
we picked so well.
So I told my baby to go and choose the best suit that will suit this, you know? You like it, right?
No one is ever going to believe that it's okay.
Oh, hello. When I'm done, you can use it for your wedding. Oh, God forbid. My dress will have to be perfect.
Whatever.
You don't have to spend all your money just because you want to do wedding. You can do a small wedding and then your home will be
Guys, don't preach to me. I know what I want.
oh my God, you will be your own husband so that you will enjoy. Say amen.
So, Granddaddy, how was the meeting?
You're there?
Yes, Granddaddy.
Yeah, where is the Chubby?
You went to the supermarket to get something.
Okay,
What are you referring to? Has she come?
Micheal, right?
Not yet. Not.
You know the taking her?
I think she'll come very soon.
Okay. Yeah?
Good afternoon, ma. Good day, sir.
How are you?
I'm very well.
I'm here.
You
are?
Yes.
Chubby's the fiancé?
Sit down, sit down.
Debbie.
What's your name?
I'm Debbie, ma.
Oh, Debbie.
Yes, ma.
Wow. Such a pretty girl. Please make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow.
You go to the supermarket and tell Chubby to come right away. His fiancé is here.
Yeah.
Okay, Grandpa. Right away.
She's beautiful.
You can say that again.
Yeah, my dear, you're very beautiful. And I hope you'll be of good behavior. Wow. And the next thing is just to visit her people and pay her diary. I think I like her.
Me too.
Yes, I like her. I hope I'm on the right track.
Everything is powerful.
Oh, pretty cool.
Which one should I use?
I'm checking. Since your dress has yellow,
I want something that will make me very, very beautiful.
What?
Are you still dressing up?
Mom, we're almost done.
What do you mean almost done?
Almost.
The in-laws are here already. Are you serious?
I'm speaking with you. Chubby's grandmother is seated at the ground floor.
Are you not supposed to come and say hi? Hey, Mommy, let her wait.
Please, can this wait?
Mom, let her wait. I'll be coming. Mom, I need to look good before
It's
she
a custom. Please, be quick. Let me go and see the caterer and know what they are doing.
Mommy, the
Then
food
check
and the drinks.
I'll go see about all those. See the drinks and... Micheal,
Mom,
am I speaking to someone?
Yes, Mom.
Please be quick.
Okay.
I need you downstairs as soon as possible.
Okay, Mom. Alright. So, what should I use? How can you wear silver with gold? Is this silver that you use?
No, it's not.
It's gold?
Yes.
Michelle, you're the longest person to go for this. No, I'm just joking. Yes, Mom. Easy. So which car are we using, Mom? Driver! Oh, you have a guest. So arrange my dresses very well.
Welcome, sir.
Driver! Which one are we using? Baby, you look so good! Hey, Chubby! You look so good! Baby, do you know him?
He's your father.
Huh? What?
How?
Babe,
Baby,
you mean this is your father?
I don't know. I'm even surprised, Mom. My father. How?
Where have you been?
Mom, what are you saying?
This marriage is cancelled.
What are you saying? Baby! Baby, wait! What? Mommy, what are you saying? What are you saying? What are you saying? What are you saying? Talk to me! What are you saying? I am asking you! Talk to me! Who is my father?
Anger can be very dangerous. Distance yourself from it. If you wanna live long. If you wanna live long. Don't revenge. Forgive. Don't revenge. No matter what. Take it easy. This life is mystery. Yeah. We are all passerby. Don't allow anger to limit your future. Don't allow anger to destroy all your beautiful.
Explain to me the disaster you caused at my wedding. Start talking. Explain to me. I know you're not deaf. You can hear me, right?
Debbie,
don't you dare Debbie me.
Please, you need to calm down.
Don't you dare say a word to me. You think I'm stupid? Start talking.
Oh, you think I'm joking with you? You see. No, you think I'm joking with you?
Oh, no, please. You think I'm joking with you?
Stay away from me. Stop. Baby. Stay away from me. Micheal.
Please. Stop, please.
Stay away. Don't let me do something you will regret.
Debbie, stop. Debbie, stop. Debbie, stop. Debbie, calm down.
Leave me alone.
Debbie, please calm down.
Leave me why?
Debbie, please calm down.
Leave me. You see you. I will chill with you, I swear.
Debbie, please stop. Debbie, stop.
Micheal, leave me.
That's enough.
Leave me alone.
Listen to me, please. I'm begging you.
Micheal,
I'm begging you. Debbie, please. Listen to me. I'm begging you. I'm begging you.
Leave me.
Debbie, listen to me. Listen to me. Debbie, listen to me.
Micheal!
Debbie, listen to
Micheal!
Listen to me! Debbie, listen to me!
Micheal, I don't like this thing you're doing.
Listen to me!
Micheal, leave me alone!
Listen to me!
Micheal, leave me alone!
Debbie, listen to me!
Micheal, leave me alone!
Please, I'm begging you! I'm begging you! Debbie, I'm begging you!
Oh my God! Micheal, leave me!
Julie, how are you?
Not too fine.
I spent 15 million in this wedding that did not hold. I'm sure you have not lived by that.
Not at all. Honestly, we are yet to be told what happened or what went wrong.
Not Chubby, Debbie or Zinette has come forward to make any explanation.
Daddy, I think you should summon Chubby for questioning.
It was a fraud.
I have this feeling it might be connected to Daddy's foundation.
I have some feelings too.
You have? That's what I felt. Having that feeling, honestly.
Truly, crying solves no problems. Just be humble and accept your corrections.
Chubby, be a man.
Chubby never fights to run away. You know why? It is unethical.
Confide in us as your kinsmen.
Okay. That man that walked into that wedding ceremony, the man that made me change my mind, that man. That man, what? What happened? That man killed my mother.
We buy them.
How? I concur. Just tell him. You just come out of prison.
Julie, if I may ask you, who is your information source?
I was in prison with him. He told me everything himself. That man killed my mother.
Jesus.
You got moved to succeed. You got moved into disappointment. This life is mystery. This life is mystery. Sometimes it is not over yet. Until it's over.
mother has ruined my life. You ruined my life. You want us to flock together as birds of the feather. God.
Debbie, this is a family affair. We can talk about it and sort it amicably.
My dear daughter, I'm so sorry. I know I failed in my obligation. I know I failed you as a mother. I don't even know what to explain. I don't know how to go about this whole thing. I was so naive. Back then, I was just living life. I didn't even know what Stephen was into at the time until the case came up. And shortly after that, I found out that I was pregnant with you. I don't know. That's why I told you that you don't have a father, that your father is late. I didn't want to explain this to you because I don't know what to tell you. I don't want you to know that your father was serving a jail time for 27 years. My fear was that it will affect your growth. Please. Please, you have to forgive me. Please.
There is no need crying when the head is off. Why didn't you tell me? Like, I can't put this whole thing together. I've tried to comprehend all this, but I can't.
You need to calm down. Please. I understand how hot you are. Please take it easy.
Why didn't you tell me? Like, I'm trying to like put my head around all this. I can't still comprehend all this. Are you saying to my face that the same man, Steve, who killed Chubby's mom, is the same man that gave birth to me? Is that what you're saying? No! Christ! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! I don't know.
I am so sorry, please. I'm sorry.
Oh my God! God, Christ. You want to tell me I am a product of ungodliness? Is that what you're saying to me? Me, Debbie. Why didn't you tell me that I had a father who went to prison for 27 years? Why didn't you tell me I had a father who is a robber? I'm a product of ungodliness. The same man that killed Chubby's mom is the same man that is my father. How could you, Mom? David, why did you tell me? Mom, why did you keep this away from me? Have I ever kept anything away from you? I thought we were close, that we could share everything together.
How could you do this to me? You couldn't even tell me. My own father. My father was serving in jail for 27 years. 27 years. I didn't even know that I had a father. No fatherly love. I've always thought my father was late. She lied to me. You made me believe I had no father. You didn't even tell me my father was a murderer, an armed robber. How could you do this to me? Oh. How could you do this to me when I thought everything was going to be fine? When I felt I've already seen something to be happy about? Everything is crashing down my eyes and I can't even do anything. You see you. And you call yourself a mother? You know what? You disgust. You know what I feel like doing? I feel like strangling you. You disgust me. I am disgusted. Mom, I am disgusted. Who knows everything you've been keeping away from me? Oh my God.
So you mean you haven't met with Chubby of recent? Stop. Okay.
How can I stop? How? Chubby called it off. He called it off. Chubby took my virginity away from me. He took my pride away from me. Have you forgotten? I even gave birth for him. I gave birth to 2 sets. 2 sets of twins. Oh. I was there for him. I was there for him. I was there for him. At his low moment, I was there. I was holding on for him. I was believing that tomorrow is going to be a good day. I was believing that tomorrow is going to be a good day. How am I supposed to know that everything will come clashing? Clashing all over Does it mean all the love that he was professing to me, that he loved me? Does it mean they were all a charade? Does it mean he was joking? Does it mean he was joking?
You need to stop. You need to stop. Look, this situation might be beyond you, but definitely not beyond God.
God, you see me! You see me! You see me!
Debbie, stop, please.
Chidiko, God, you see me! I don't deserve this, you see me! I don't deserve this!
Now listen to me. I need you to fix a meeting with Chubby in his house. But I won't be coming with you. Do you understand?
I don't think you want to see me. I don't think you
fix the meeting first. Can you listen to me? Debbie. Debbie, that's enough. Please.
As the new gate man, always focus on your job. Do you understand? My name is Chubby.
That's it.
Trouble, sir. You go. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Add some reference to my name.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
When I said my name is Chubby does not mean you call me Chubby. Are you mad?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, boss. Sorry, boss.
Rule number 1. No one visits my house without calling me on the phone.
Yes, boss.
Not even my father. Do you understand?
Yes, boss.
Now get back to your work.
Thank you, boss.
You're welcome, sir. Please, what can I offer you?
There'll be no need for that. I'm actually in a hurry. I learned to just got wedded, though you didn't tell me about it.
I'm so sorry, sir. You know, the marriage was not planned by us. It was Chubi's family that organized it. That was why we didn't inform you. I'm so sorry.
Well, I brought this gift for you, for your wedding. You can have it. What is it? What's the problem?
The wedding. There was no wedding, Pastor. Something happened. Something happened on that day. And the wedding was cancelled.
It's unfortunate. I would say, please, just keep this for the tweets when you get back. Okay? Heavy. So sorry about the whole thing. Well, like I said, I'm actually in a hurry, so I have to be on my way now. Please take care of yourself. Alright.
Cause it doesn't matter where we come from. This love cannot be tampered. Cause our hearts beat for each other. This love cannot be tampered. Cause our hearts beat for each other. This love cannot be tampered. Cause our hearts beat for each other.
Pastor, good day.
Sir, please, on their behalf, I have come to beg. It's quite unfortunate that things had to happen this way, sir. Leaving the marriage is not the right thing to do, sir. Let's settle these things amicably, sir. Please, sir.
Baby, please, I'm begging you in the name of God and everything you hold sacred. Baby, please forgive us. Because of our children, please, I'm begging you.
Listen, with all due respect, Pastor, I am no longer interested.
Sir, please, this is not the way to settle these things. Leaving the marriage is not actually the right thing to do, sir.
I have decided to remain single for the rest of my life.
What about the children?
Sir, please, sir.
What about
Papa,
the children?
Please.
I'm begging you.
Thou shalt not kill is in the Bible.
Even the Bible said that.
Even the Bible said thou shalt not kill.
Sir, please. Please, sir.
Baby, please.
Sir, please, tamper justice, please.
Please, I'm begging you.
The Bible is clear. Thou shalt not kill.
Succeed, you can move into disappointment.
am so sad and very, very angry. How can my own mother, the woman that gave birth to me, be so secretive to my own heart, my own pain? This woman, if I had known she was coming to see you, I wouldn't have even come with her. I would try it.
But why would you say that?
Why would I say that, Pastor? Why would I say that? This woman right here is the cause of my problem. All the problem I'm facing in my marriage today, she caused it. All thanks to you. All thanks to you.
Calm down. Every problem has a foundation. And the Bible tells me that if the foundation be destroyed, what can the righteous do? Baby, your mother's costly mistake has done enough damage. And the only way out of this is for both of you to forgive each other and confess your sins. That's the only way out. Okay? Please, can we pray? Let's bow our eyes.
Oh, honey, you're back already.
Yeah.
Oh. So, how did the meeting go between you and Zubby? How did it go?
The 15 million naira I spent is bygone. Zubby told me face to face that he's not going to marry Debbie. Even when I promised him that I'm going to spend another 15 million naira. You know what? He told me directly to my face that over his dead body to get married to Debbie.
You mean Zubby said that? What is wrong with him? Since he failed to tell us what went wrong between him and Debbie, he must marry her. It's a promise. And that's the reason I came back. What nonsense.
And he's aware that I paid for everything, including gift items and the event hall. The worst thing in the matter is not showing any remorse. He's not even bothered.
Honey, just calm down. Calm down. You don't need to worry. I will talk him into marrying Debbie. So just relax. Okay? It's a promise.
If you say so, better do. You know you women, you always have ways of handling issues like this.
That's why I told you should relax. Have you taken your dinner? Let me go and make your dinner. So just relax. You don't need to worry.
Thank you.
Let me go and make dinner, okay?
Thank you. Thank you, my baby wife.
Yeah, hi. Good afternoon.
About who you find?
Okay, I'm looking for your boss. Is it you?
Yes.
Can I see him?
Okay, madam, hold on, I'm coming.
Okay, no problem.
This life is mystery. Sometimes it is not over yet. Until it's over. Until it's over. Sometimes it is not over yet. Until it's over. Sometimes it is not over yet.
Alright. Thanks, My regards to him.
Alright, sir. Thank you. I'll go on my way now.
Zubby, what stunts do you think you are performing? Is it because Elda, Judith and Hera have all gone back to London in disappointments? Or your father, Jimmy, has gone back to Kaduna in northern Nigeria?
Just tell me you love me. You love me. Just what I want.
I'm worried.
And how may I help you?
Before I'm left done.
How may I help you?
Can't you see this love?
I heard that according to some tradition, if Martins pays the bride price of my ex, Zenith, automatically my kids becomes his. Is that true?
Of course, yes. Young man, this is the tradition.
That a man will go home with kids knowing fully well that these kids are not his.
Because they have returned your dowry to you.
Is it about dowry? What happens to the DNA test and all that?
That is the tradition. That is your Western and whatever you call it.
It's a wrong tradition because their bloods will never match with his.
Listen and listen good. You cannot change the tradition in this matter, especially our ethnic group. And that is what it will be in this matter. So, be up and do it. Act quick.
You can move to succeed. You can move into disappointment. This life is mystery. This life is mystery. Sometimes it is not over yet. Until it's over. Until it's over. Sometimes it is not over yet. Not at all. It's over. Sometimes it is not over yet. Until it's over. Until it's over. Sometimes it is not over yet. Until it's over. Sometimes it is not over yet. Until it's over. Anger can be very dangerous. Distance yourself from it. If you wanna live long. If you wanna live long. Don't revenge, forgive. Don't
I'm very, very sorry. We're very, very sorry for everything. Please, it was not intentional. Please forgive us. Look at your children, please, baby, I'm begging you. For the sake of the love we've ever shared, please, baby, I'm begging you.
Please. We know what's going with our parents is like. Please make this children feel the same. I'm begging you, please. They are your blood. Please.
Let Allah to destroy all your beautiful. Sometimes it is. Life is movement, not stagnant. Life is movement, not stagnant. You can move to succeed. You can move into disappointment. This life is mystery.